Hello students, I am Mrs. Nikita Jetra, your computer teacher. Students, we have been far from each other since long. Now it's time that we should start studying. You all are welcome to Standard 7th. Students, you have seen computers, but many of you still may not be aware that computers combination is of hardware and software. इसका मतलब कंप्यूटर जो दिखता है वो हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर का मिक्सचर होता है. Now in this first session of you and me sitting at our homes, we learn about computer hardware. Okay? Okay students. Now if we talk about computer hardware, तो उसको हम इस तरीके से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि all physical parts of computer which we can see and touch are called hardware. Means जिन भी कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स को आप देख सकते हो या छू सकते हो उनको हम कंप्यूटर्स का हार्डवेयर कहते हैं. Students, now there is one image in front of you. Okay, in this image you can see monitor, keyboard, speaker, mouse, CPU termed as cabinet, having DVD drive and floppy drive which are known to you. They all are hardware. You have seen them in your computer lab also. Okay, now when we are talking about hardware, so we should know that hardware is divided into two parts. One is internal hardware, another is external hardware. Let us learn some of the internal hardware. Fine. Now talking about internal hardware are those which are inside CPU, which we can see and touch but only if the CPU cabinet is open. Okay, there is motherboard, the processor, RAM, hard disk, CD-ROM drive, power supply box, graphic card, sound card and many more. We'll learn them one by one. You will be viewing those images on your screen and I'll be explaining you them. Now friends, first we'll talk about motherboard. Yes, friends, we know that at our home all things are managed by mother. Same way in CPU, all internal hardware is attached and managed by motherboard. Now the way your mother provides you with food, same way motherboard provides power to all internal hardware through circuit that is drawn on it. Students, circuit क्या होता है? You all know, आपके घर में आप लाइट का बटन ऑन करते हैं और लाइट ऑन हो जाती है, तो पावर कहाँ से आया? आप बोलेंगे मीटर में से. ऐसे ढेर सारे बटन लगे हैं हर एक रूम में एंड ऑल आर गेटिंग पावर फ्रॉम मीटर, राइट? मीन्स ईच बटन इज कनेक्टेड टू मीटर विथ वायर. यहाँ सभी वायर्स का कनेक्शन मिला के सर्किट बोला जाता है. ओके, बट मदरबोर्ड पे इतनी सारी वायर्स नहीं आ सकती. दैट इज वाई वहाँ पे सर्किट ड्रॉ किया जाता है एक स्पेशल मटेरियल यूज करके जिसमें करंट फ्लो होता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोसेसर. प्रोसेसर, इट इज अ चिप where all processing job is carried out in CPU, which we ask computer to do. जो काम हम कंप्यूटर को करने को बोलते हैं वो काम पूरा प्रोसेसर करता है. Here information is given to computer through input device and we ask to process it. After processing we get output. This you have learned in standard 6th also. So that in between job of input and output, processing job is done by processor. It is one of the important internal hardware that we have to decide that which processor will be there in our computer while purchasing new computer. Okay friends, now next hardware list में नाम आता है RAM का. ना, RAM नहीं, RAM. Okay, it is called as RAM. RAM का full form है Random Access Memory. Now here random means job of computer from anywhere in between. Means कहीं से भी, लाइन से नहीं, कहीं से भी हम कंप्यूटर में किसी भी फाइल को ओपन करने के लिए कहते हैं. साथ में प्रिंटिंग का काम को करने को बोलना हो, एंड मेनी मोर वर्क्स बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड कंप्यूटर डज इट. इट एक्सेस. नाउ हियर एक्सेस मीन्स टू ओपन memory, to open memory, and does our work. It is also called temporary memory. That is, RAM is also called temporary memory of computer, as it takes instruction to carry out. Whatever instructions we give to computer are taken by RAM and then processor do it. Yes. Now one more important hardware inside CPU. That is computer का दिमाग. We'll talk about hard disk. Okay. Now hard disk drive. Friends, hard disk is a permanent storage device in CPU. Whatever data, information is saved, it is stored in hard disk of CPU. It is of lunchbox shape, tightly intact, packed by machines. It cannot be opened to repair. Normally, hard disk don't get damaged. Here there is a bunch of steel CDs called platter of CDs on which data is stored in form of bits in the magnetic field of CDs on its both sides. We can open and read stored data in hard disk. This is called retrieving of data. To read and write, there is a spindle inside hard disk, which you can see in image also. That small pin like that is there on the platter of disk. Okay. Friends, now let us talk about CD-ROM. CD हम सब ने देखी हुई है. Okay. CD, that is compact disc. Compact disc, ROM का full form है read only memory, from where you can only read, you cannot write. आप उस पर कुछ लिख नहीं सकते हो, सिर्फ read कर सकते हो. Now we may have used CD drive. CD drive बहुतों ने use किया हुआ है. Okay. Now here CD is compact disc, and that CD we insert inside tray provided in CPU and then play. This tray where we insert CD is open on pressing button. हम एक बटन दबाते हैं और एक ट्रे बाहर आता है जिसमें हम CD रखते हैं, and फिर then again we press the button and we can see that we can play the CD. Okay, the tray providing box is called CD-ROM, where CDs and DVDs can only be read. वहां से हम उनको play कर सकते हैं. Okay, about this we'll learn more in deep in 8th standard. Okay friends, now let us talk about power supply. We know हमारे घर में power supply कहाँ से आता है? PGVCL. Okay. Now before we have learned that inside CPU, motherboard takes responsibility of providing power to all internal hardware as well as external hardware attached to it. But motherboard, where does it gets power from? It gets power from the power box, which is inbuilt in CPU. Now in that power box, small exhaust fan is attached. Okay, you might have heard starting sound when you start your computer. That sound is of exhaust fan. If that sound doesn't come, हमने computer चालू किया और आवाज नहीं आई, that means your fan is not working. And no problem, within few seconds your CPU will stop working. It will hang because of heating. Okay friends, now last but not the least, we will talk about graphic card. Graphic card is that card that is provided in CPU which allow us to work with Windows. Any designs, images, drawings, videos you see in your computer is made possible because of graphic card present in it. Okay, new games whichever you are playing nowadays are possible for you to play because of graphic card that is there in your computer system or in your mobiles. Okay. Okay students, now it's time to say goodbye to you all for this first session. Thank you students. Here we complete our first session of internal hardware. We'll meet soon in our next session and know about external hardware. Till then, take good care of yourself and keep studying. Bye-bye.